Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What's going on, fellow investors? Man, here we are. Video number 3 of 30 solid investments that I have in my portfolio that I want to share with everyone and let you know how I be rocking when it comes to my finances. Please keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before you invest any of your hard-earned money. And in this video, we're going to take a look at an exchange traded fund, or an ETF, which is a fund that has an umbrella of stocks, individual stocks that come under one umbrella to give us diversification. And we're going to be looking at a particular sector, and in this case, the technology sector, because technology is not going anywhere. It keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And with AI coming into play, or artificial intelligence, it's not going to stop. And not people think of AI and robots, but you got to think about the cars that's going to be not having a driver, and things that's going to be happening where you don't really have to have as much human intervention. So I definitely want to take a closer look at ticker symbol XLK, and that is the technology sector SPDR ETF, man. Again, ticker symbol XLK. And in this particular ETF, you're going to find stocks like Microsoft and Apple and Nvidia, probably Alphabet, and it'll give us broad exposure to the entire technology market. With that being said, let's get ready, man. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod. On this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds, but more importantly, we talk to you about how to invest on a budget. You only have a couple bucks, $1, $2, $5. You're in the right place, because your boy is going to show you how he's been doing it via Robinhood. Speaking of Robinhood, check out my link down in the description below if you're interested in investing and don't have an investment account. Robinhood is one of the easiest ways to go, and you're going to see it because we are going to be using it in this video. And I'm even going to purchase some XLK during this video. Now, if you use the link, you'll get some free stock. I'll get some free stock. We're both winning. Now, with all that being said, you know what time it is. It's time to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up, and let's get paid, baby. All right, let's jump in here and look at this Robinhood and see what is going on with XLK. As we can see, it is currently trading at $289.92, 93 cents. It keeps going up. It's usually a good thing, but with me getting ready to buy some, I don't really want it to go up too much right now. But don't trip off this $289, because the beauty of Robinhood is we're purchasing fractional shares, which think of this $289.92 as an entire pie. We're going to get us a slice of pie with our $1, $2, $3, $5, $5, whatever we have. We're going to get us a slice. Now, the more we have, the larger the slice, just like reality. Today, it is up 1.48%. And we're going to go down here and go over to 3 months. Now, keep in mind, I do have that Dove Club, which is 20% over my return on investment. And I have a Quarter Horse Club, which is 25% or more return. But I kind of look at that when I hit the 1 year mark. But right now, 3 months, XLK is up about 13.1%. Not too bad, though. 33 bucks, I'll take that in 3 months, but I'm not worried because I'm a buy and hold investor. But I do like to know, how has this year treated us, man? Up 23%, 23.66. So we're over the 20% threshold, which is cool with me. Obviously, the higher the better, but I'll take 23%. Now, we're going to come down here. This is where I start getting serious, because what has it done in the last year? Now, please keep in mind, past performance is not any indication of future performance. However, it will give me an idea. And in the last year, it is up 28.59% in that Quarter Horse Club, baby. So again, another winner, man. And I don't look at these before I do them. I'm just showing everyone the investments that I've believe in, that I have a lot of passion about, whether they're up or down today. I'm not worried about today because I'm a long-term investor and I want everyone to get that mindset. Now, let's go to my magical number, which is 5 years, because that's when I plan on quit working. But I want people to also start getting the mindset, whether you're going to stop working or not in 5 years. Maybe you're going to stop working at 15 years. Well, triple this. It could be triple this, could be, because we don't have a crystal ball. But in the last 5 years, it's up 150.41%. I'll take it. I'll take it all day. Now, we are going to scroll down a little bit. And when it comes to dividends, XLK paid a dividend. Last quarter, it does pay a quarterly dividend of about 36 cents per share, which isn't too bad, man. It could be a little higher, but I'll take it because I have other dividends. Now, we do have a market value of $4.35. The reason this is a little low is because I was going primarily with VGT, which is the Vanguard version or the Vanguard technology ETF. And I started thinking about it. I looked at how much I had invested with Vanguard. They've been around a long time, but what if something happens? Let me diversify a little bit. I'm still investing into VGT, but I'm also invested into XLK, which is a totally different company. Same concept, pretty much same idea, different company. All right, average cost is $266. We're up here at $289, so they let me know I bought it at $266. I could sell it at $289. We're making money. We do have 0.014 of a share, and we're up a total of 35 cents. So that 35, I usually try to invest in even numbers so I can kind of look at it, or 8.69. This is reality, man. All this stuff up here, hypothetical. This is what has happened in the past. This is what it happened in the past, but this is what I really have. So I can look out at all the 28s and the 22s and the dub clubs. But right now, in reality, I'm up 8.69%. Now, this company does have 71 holdings. That could be a beautiful thing, or it could be a bad thing. This let me know I don't have a lot of companies that can take the blow if the technology sector takes a hit. So, man, I guarantee you it's going to be a high percentage, if not all, of this. And there it is. 98% is technology. 1.67 is communication. If something happened to the technology sector, this ETF would be hurting. And that's why we have diversification. That's why we give ourselves, what's my favorite word? Options. Now, these top 10 holdings make up 61.31% of the ETF. But I do want to show you here, and this is what I was talking about. Look at these companies. Nvidia, big dog. Microsoft, not going anywhere. Apple, Broadcom, Oracle, Palantir, Cisco, IBM, AMD, which is Advanced Micro Devices, up there with the chips and stuff. Salesforce. I mean, man, these are top dog companies, top dogs. I mean, I don't see a bad company here. Now, Cisco is a little older technology, but you still need them. And a lot of people over here sleeping on Oracle, but we saw Oracle woke up like a sleeping giant recently. So I've been rocking with Oracle. So, hey, I ain't forget about y'all, Oracle. Anyway, we're going to jump over here, man. We're going to buy a little XLK. It is going to default to buy. Notice it is showing buy and sell because I already own it. If I didn't own it, it'll only give me an option to buy because I wouldn't have anything to sell. We're going to come down here and we're going to click this here. We're going to hit our old faithful $1. I just want people to see you can do it with $1. We're going to get 0.003 of a share. Go ahead and review the order. And before we buy, how much did we have here? We had 0.01499. We're going to click buy. It's going to tell me done. It's going to spend. There it is, 0.018. Now, typically, I wouldn't really be tripping off this, but this is kind of fun to sit here and watch. I'm thinking in the mindset of a new investor. Yeah, that went from a 4 to an 8. That means I'm moving up. And that's the mindset I want to get everyone in. So, hey, man, this is video number 3, man, of 30. Another solid investment. Let me go ahead and put me back up here. Man, let me know, what do y'all think about the SPDR technology ETF? ticker symbol XLK. Do you have it in your portfolio? Have you never heard of it? Is it something you may think about? I'd love to hear about it. Put it in the comments below. But I can tell you, technology is not going anywhere. You don't have to invest in anything. But if you're already invested and you may be into something that used to be, or a company that used to be and still is, but not moving at the pace of technology, you may want to take a look at how you have your stuff set up. With all that being said, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, select all, make sure you don't miss out on future content. Share the channel out, share with someone you know, coworker, family, friend. Also, hit that like button, hit the thumbs up. We're really trying to grow the channel and we're off to a great start. And with all that being said, I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. And as always, shoot for the moon, baby. If you don't make it, you're going to be amongst the stars. Hope you have a great one. Man, I almost forgot my own line, man. I ain't going to make that a blooper. We're going to leave it in here. Much love, y'all. Peace.